I founded Excel Roofing in 1993. I'm Jay Bretz, the CEO and founder. Since that time, Excel has served over 55,000 customers. Many of these jobs have been multifamily structures as small as 4 units, up to hundreds of units within a large complex. Excel Roofing has worked on many multifamily projects throughout the years, ranging from military housing at Fort Carson in Colorado Springs to apartment complexes in Casper, Wyoming. Excel offers multiple services for property management companies and HOAs. These services include roof repair for leaks, repairing broken tile, fixing and cleaning broken and leaking gutters, and of course, roof replacement. And this includes asphalt shingles, concrete tile, metal roofs, and low slope flat roofs. Excel Roofing knows how to install your job right. There was a $20 million lawsuit against the builder of a community in Superior, Colorado. Excel Roofing was chosen to be the roofing contractor to replace thousands of squares of concrete tile. Excel removed the defective roof and installed a new one to the absolute highest standards for a very strict general contractor who could not afford any mistakes. There was also an independent roof consultant, and of course, the city inspectors were involved. Excel Roofing is a certified applicator by many different manufacturers, so we can offer the Excel workmanship warranty and a manufacturer's extended warranty, which is often a requirement for multifamily projects. A class of low-slope roofing products Excel will not install is roof coatings. Excel has installed a number of coatings over the years and has found these products do not live up to the expectations put forth by their manufacturers. Because roof coatings are so expensive, Excel believes that a building owner would be much better served by using that money for a new roof that will last many years instead of a Band-Aid that will only last a short time. We have a library of different videos about products we install. Please watch some of these videos and you can decide what is right for you. Scheduling couldn't be easier. Give us a call or click on the calendar. Choose a date and time that's best for you, or if you'd prefer, choose the email option and we'll send you the bid. Thanks for visiting our website and watching this video. We look forward to working with you on your project.